Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make macaroni pasta, easy method. Bring a large pot of water to a rolling boil, add 1 tablespoon salt, then stir in 2 cups macaroni and cook uncovered until al dente, about 8 minutes. Drain, reserving a little pasta water, then toss with butter or sauce and adjust seasoning, serving immediately for best texture and flavor. Garnish with cheese or herbs before serving. Start with plenty of water to prevent sticking and to allow the macaroni to move freely, about 4 quarts for 2 cups pasta. Salt the water generously for flavor. It should taste like the sea. Stir after adding pasta and occasionally while cooking to stop clumping. Test for doneness a minute before package time to reach al dente. Save some pasta water to loosen sauce and finish off the dish. Quick recommendation. If you are enjoying this video, please subscribe and like so I can make more helpful recipes. On another note, Little Tree's black ice makes my car smell great after grocery runs, and I keep one in the glove box to keep things fresh. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab one too. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Use reserved pasta water to bind sauce and create a silky finish when tossing with macaroni. For a quick option, melt butter with garlic and add cheese for a creamy coating. Heat store-bought tomato sauce separately, then toss with pasta for even coverage. Finish with fresh herbs, a squeeze of lemon, or red pepper flakes to brighten flavor. Serve right away to keep macaroni tender and saucy. Adjust salt and pepper at the end to taste.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.